Hi, today we're going to make, or attempt to make, the frame, only the frame, this one. This will be a multi-part series. We'll be making the frame for a woodland style headdress. To save yourself a lot of upset, when you get your ash, this one's ash, so when you get your ash, soak it in, I soaked mine in soapy hot water for about 15 minutes. I'm hoping that's enough. I did originally start filming with it dry. I had nothing but constant splitting, which was not a very good thing. So basically I will show you. I already started filming, so just ignore these for now. I'll redraw it. So the absolute top view is your circle. You're going to make it one of these. Then you're going to put a strip across there and across there. Then a side view. And then inside would be your head. You don't want these touching the top of your head, and you want it loose enough because you're going to put leather on it at a future date. So now that we're done all that, let's try if 20 minutes is enough soak for this. So of course you wrap this around your head to see where you want it. Try about there. And you want to drill, of course. Explain the tools here first. You want a drill bit, preferably sharp, like all these. All these were giving me a hassle, that's why they're sitting there. This is the sharpest drill bit I have with my power drill. You want something to cut with. I use, these are tin snips, and you want leather scissors to cut your leather lace. I'll either be using leather lace or waxed cordage. It's all up to you. It's going to be covered with leather anyways. To save a lot of hassle, a scrap piece of wood really comes in handy at this point. So you want to drill 4 holes. You don't want to push it too much. Okay, it gets a little messy here. Okay, from this point you'd wrap around. Oops. Cut a piece of leather. And even to help you out, make a little point on both ends. It'll save a lot of grief. It'll also save a little bit of grief. My other videos show you how to make lace, so if you want to refer to one of the other ones to make lace. So you're going to try to line these holes up again. Guess you could use a smaller drill bit to help you with this too. Just poke this leather in. This is probably where the cordage would probably be a little better. This one particular piece will be at the side or back. Little pair of vice grips. I cheat a little bit. Little pair of vice grips because trying to pinch this together does eventually hurt your hand. There you go. You just check. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now you're going to make your dome. Outside to outside. That's good. Just do this side first. Probably switch the twine on this one. Watch your fingers. Now I'll probably do the leather lace again, but just to hold it together faster, I'm just going to use the twine because it's a little smaller and it'll hold faster. Telling you guys to be careful. Telling you guys to be careful where your fingers were, and I ended up just touching my finger. But that's alright. That's what these are for, actually. So you don't have to run into problems like that. Now you can always trim all this off. I'm just going to put 2 quick holes in. Like I said, I'm probably going to replace all the string, leave the string in, and out. Okay. Okay, well, obviously you don't quite pull that hard. Okay, another piece. That's where you'll utilize these holes again. Go over like that. Go. So again, you can use your, again you'll use your pliers. Pliers, make sure it's going to work here. Yeah. Perfect. And that's what you're going to end up with. Then you put 2 holes here, put some leather up there too. Then you let it dry. Then we'll fix this down. We can also use glue to hold it a bit. But that'll be it for this video. You just have to put it in. Put it in, replace the string with leather. I will do that later. Put 2 more holes, 2 more holes, put leather in it. Put 4 holes, put leather in it. Then untie this and retie this with leather. And then there's the frame for the headdress. Then we'll wrap it with leather, and this will probably be about a 3 or 4 part. So carry on, and hope you enjoyed this one. Okay, see you next time.